so this is a lesson on Crazy Little Thing Called Love by Queen. We're going to start out with this D chord. So we're going to have da da dee dum. We're going to have that pinky in there, that D sus. So it's down, up, and then we're going to put the pinky in there. And we're going to pull the pinky out on the next up. So we got da da dee da 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 da. So you got a little up down up at the end of that. So down up down up down up down up pinky. So that goes 4 times for the intro, and then it goes 2 more times for the verse, the beginning of the verse. So altogether it would be this thing called love. Okay, so it does those 2 of those extra D's when he starts singing. Then we're going to go to G. So dum da dum da dum. Then we're going to go to a C chord. We're going to keep the pinky down there from that G. We're going to add in the 2 and the 1 in there from the C chord. So we got G. So it's kind of like jing, jinga, jing, jinga. So we go back to the D there, then we're going to have a B flat, C, D, and a da-da-da-dum at the end of that. So the B flat, I like to play with this ring finger, getting the 3 big 3s and muting the bottom one. You got to get a good angle on it for that. You could always do your B flat like this, or you could use the 3 fingers, or however you want to do your B flat. In the context of jumping to the C chord and the D chord after this, it works really kind of, if you can get used to that, it helps you out a lot to be able to get that chord kind of quick and keep moving. So once again from the verse. Next verse is going to be the same. So now we're going to go to a new thing. We got G. So let's go over all that again. We're going to have G. So just jang, jang, ganga, janga, jang, jang, ganga, janga. And then we're going to bring that C thing in. And then we're going to jump to the B flat. Then we have 2 hits on E, 2 hits on A, and I'm using that same type of thinking with that flattening out, that trying to get that angle on it to mute the bottom one, getting those 3 2s there. So E, A, and then F. And then we have a little pause when he says, she leaves me in a cold, cold sweat. Then you wait a little bit for that to be said, and then you go 7, 6, 5 on the G, then 7, 6, 5 on the D. And then at the end of that we go E, 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 A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th one would be the A chord. So let's go over that G again. Little C, back to G, B flat, E, A, F, and then wait, riff. E, A. Now this A right here is going to go have a little walking bass type thing after it. So E, E, A. So I hit the A chord once, then I hit that A note again, and then I went 5, 4, 2 on the big string. And that leads us right to the open D again for the new verse. So let's go from she leaves me in a cold, cold sweat. Get your riff. Back to the new verse. Stop on the D again. Now the solo starts, so we're going to go to B flat. Back to D. flat, and then the E, A, F riff. At that time, we won't do that walking bass line. We'll just stop right there in the A, and that's when it goes into claps, and everybody's singing along. So you wait all the way through. You don't do anything to the end of that. When it gets to the da-da-da-da-da-da, then you come in a new verse. This is the last verse. Now this time, B flat, C to D. Keep repeating that. And eventually it'll fade out. Okay, so let's go through all the things again. We got our main riff, 4 times in intro, and then verse, this thing called love. Flat C. Next verse. So we'll skip the next verse. That's going to be exactly the same type stuff. Then we're going to have this G change. Here comes my baby. C to G. Then we got B flat. Then we're going to have the E twice to A twice to F. Then we wait. We got the riff. Again, that was so 2 2 5 4 2. B flat C. B flat for the solo and D. Flat, and then we got the E, A, F, E, E, A, F riff. And then you got the claps, and you sing all the way through the whole thing, and you come in for the last verse. So let's play that last verse together, and the last verse is going to end with the B flat, C, D repeating to go to the end of the song. So let's try that nice and slow. 2 3 and B flat C D and again. While we're doing stuff slow, let's do that G turn. So we got 2 3 4. C. Back to G. And we got B flat. 2 hits on E. E, A, F. Let's try those hits again. E, A, and F. 2 3 4. E, A, F. And of course you could do the E, A, if you'd rather do it that way. One more time. 2 3 and then let's try this riff. 2 3 4 1. Kind of comes in after the one there. See that? It's like and 3 4 1. And then we got. Try that there. 2 3 and. Okay. All right, crazy little thing called Love. Great tune by Queen. I remember this from way back when I was just a young kid. So anyway, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. There'll be a tab on this too. Hope you enjoy it. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.